little bit about yourself and your business.
So the name of the law firm is the law firm of William Faber Limited, and our practice emphasizes and specializes in injury work, serious injury accidents and bodily injury. We do nursing home abuse and neglect cases. We do medical mistake cases, and we do big highway motorcycle trucking accident cases.
Okay. So how did you specifically get into that specific path?
Well, the area of injury law means that you can be a trial lawyer, and trial cases in the courtroom was exciting to me. And so I had a choice between civil law, which is injury work, or criminal law, which is crimes and drugs and that type of thing. And I just chose the civil side of it because it's a little bit cleaner work and there's a lot more of it that pays.
Is there one specific case that you've had throughout the years that really stands out to you that you think kind of sums up what you try to accomplish here?
Well, I hadn't mentioned the other area of work that we do, which is childhood lead poisoning cases. And we've had several of those cases. And one of the cases we handled was a set of twins who were lead poisoned at the age of 8 years old in a home that had lead paint in it. And we had to litigate that all the way through trial, up to the appellate court and back. And we finally got the case resolved for them. And the way we structured the settlement is we looked at what a Millikan University education would cost each of the twins, and that's what we got for the kids. So we got them, a really good start for sure.
So you were also on the city council for a couple of years. Do you want to talk a little bit about that?
I was elected to the city council in 2015 and served to 2023, so 8 years as an elected city councilman. And that means I was elected citywide, not just for a particular part of town, but it was a citywide election each time, twice. And it was an opportunity for me to give back to the community that's been so good to me and my family.
If there's any way that someone would like to reach out to you about maybe contacting you for your services, what is the best way to reach you?
Well, probably the best way is just to give us a phone call at 425-9002. We're in the phone book, we're on the internet, and we have a webpage, so give us a call, we're here.
Is there anything else that you'd like to say that I haven't covered?
Well, I would like to say this, that the reason I became a lawyer is because the law is a tool, like a carpenter has a hammer and a saw, and with those tools you can make a house, and you can, something that's very useful to families and to people. And the law is that way, it's simply a tool and can be used for good or bad, and we try to use the tools of the law for good.